good. Who needs lemonade? Hey everyone, today we're going to be making a Tom Collins. The origin on this one, there has been some confusion, but I'm going to lay it out straight to you. Back in the 1800s, me and my friend Tommy, at the time, we were both bartenders, and I came up with this amazing drink, this super refreshing drink that was very popular at the time. But me and Tommy, as I knew him, we kind of had a falling out, and then he stole my drink. So he became famous, and I'm here on YouTube now. So that's kind of where it is. You know, it is what it is, I guess. But let's get started. Here's how you make the drink. Let's start with a cup of ice, 1 ounce of lemon juice, ½ ounce of simple syrup, two ounces of gin. We're going with Aviation gin. Not sponsored at all, but if anybody wants to sponsor me, you know, Aviation. All right, 2 ounces of gin. And then usually it's topped off with soda water, or about 3 ounces of soda water. Let's top it off. Bigger cup than I'm used to. I'm supposed to usually use like a highball. So this one's going to be a little bit more diluted, but usually I recommend about 3 ounces of soda water. And then we will add a garnish. That is the Tom Collins. Make sure to give it a little stir. Amazing drink during the summer.